बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है मैम आपका हमारे लोकल बिज़नेस में और अपने आप को हमारे साथ से जुड़ने के लिए भी आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद मैम। थैंक यू सो और हम बहुत-बहुत बधाई देते हैं आपको आपके नए प्रोडक्ट और नई जर्नी के लिए और नई शुरुआत करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मैम क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं कि जो आयरा प्लांट बायोटेक है वो बेसिकली क्या है? उसका क्या जर्नी रहा अभी तक? क्या उसके बारे में आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं मैम?
Hello. Iraplan Biotech is a company line. It's a biotech company. We are in the manufacturing of organic plant growth supplements. Plant growth supplements is like for the plants. So it can be used in agriculture, horticulture, landscaping, gardens, like it could be terrace gardening or balcony gardening, front backyard gardening, vertical gardening, and hydroponics. So we provide supplements for any kind of the plant. It could be indoor plants or it could be the agricultural crop. So we provide supplements so that you get higher yield and you keep the pest away. So it will also protect your plant. It gives you very high yield.
ओके मैम, दैट्स गुड। मैम आपने अभी स्टार्ट कब से किया है? आप जर्नी
We started our company in April 2020. Yeah, 2 years old company.
ओके। तो मैम आपके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं अभी ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हैं या आप कैसे प्रोडक्ट अपना सेल करते हैं मतलब कस्टमर्स तक? कस्टमर
We have listed our products in Amazon. We have listed our products in India Mart and ONDC में है, Gem portal पे है, and there are so many local websites which are available and yeah, they have listed our products and all this.
ओके मैम, तो आपकी 2 साल की जर्नी कैसे रही है मैम? यार अपन
It's very challenging. Like I thought manufacturing is a challenging task, but manufacturing became very easy. Now marketing is the biggest challenge aspect for me. So yeah, marketing के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. So I made to that. Yes.
मैम आपका जो भी प्लांट अभी आपके जो भी प्रोडक्ट हैं जैसे कि अभी हम देख सकते हैं कुछ प्रोडक्ट हमारे यहाँ पे है आपके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो इनमें आपका सबसे बेनिफिशियल प्रोडक्ट कौन सा है?
बेनिफिशियल सारा है क्योंकि 2 प्रोडक्ट हमने एग्रीकल्चर के लिए लाए हैं। ये आयरा प्लांट पर्ल्स है, ये सॉइल मिक्स है। सॉइल पर एनरिच करता है। इट विल एनरिच द सॉइल, द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल इज मेंटेन्ड, इट बैलेंसेस द पीएच ऑफ द सॉइल एंड वी हैव आयरा प्लांट शिलाजित। ये किसी तरह की बैक्टीरियल और फंगल इन्फेक्शंस को दूर करता है, लाइक इट प्रिवेंट्स एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. And we have Ira plant that is light for indoor plants, and we have Ira plant sustina for the potted plants. So these two are for urban population. So people will not have time to take care of the plants. So you can just introduce one pouch in the pot, and it will take care of the plant for 1 month.
वाह, ऐसे गोल्ड प्रोडक्ट ही है। तो मैम जो कस्टमर अभी तक आप जिनसे भी आप ले लें तो लोग उसको कितना सीरियसली लेते हैं आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में? कितना उसको सीरियसली लेते हैं कि आजकल उनके पास टाइम बहुत कम है और आपको तो पता ही है कि फर्टिलाइज इतना है कि हमारी सॉइल को भी इतना वेस्ट करता है, डैमेज करता है। तो लोग आजकल इसके अवेयर हैं और उसको और सीरियसली ले रहे हैं।
No, actually, there are several classes of people. Like, if I say one particular Atslahas is fully aware about Orgapifa. Okay, they know what it is, what are the consequences. आप organic farming में implement नहीं करेंगे तो what is the consequence? आप करेंगे तो what is the result? They know. But another class they are partially aware. उनको awareness नहीं कम है. So what they do is like they will take it for granted. If they are willing to use, they take. Otherwise, it is up to them. And another class is like they don't know anything about organic farm. And another class is that they don't want to use organic products. They are very much happy with the existing chemicals. So these are the different categories of people and which I have come across and which I have communicated with them. And yes, it again depends on the marinade. It is yes, very tallying the conventional. Yes.
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आपके लिए कस्टमर तक पहुंच इनको बदला इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया
Yeah. And to explain them about our products and to create awareness. Like आप हमारा product use किया तो what are the advantage, what are the benefit, what are the health benefit, वो सभी
very minimal people know about. तो मैम अभी आयरा प्लांट बायोटेक का भी फ्यूचर प्लान्स आप क्या विजन देखते हैं?
I want to educate every farmer and I want to present, I want to convince and just adopt organic farming. If you don't use our product also it's fine, but adopt organic farming so that you get the produce in a healthy produce आपको मिलती है और आपका हेल्थ भी अच्छा रहता है, एनवायरनमेंट भी pollution free होता है. You can save the environment, you can save the biodiversity. So whether it could be the water, it could be the air, you can avoid the pollution because what is happening, whatever the chemicals जो भी agricultural land में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, वो सभी when there is heavy rain, it will go flushed into the river water bed. So it is getting accumulated at the lower region. तो वो क्या हो रहा है, हमें वो polluted पानी पी रहे हैं, polluted and chemical treated food later say and the air भी pollute हो रहा. So all that you can avoid by adopting organic farming. So my vision has to reach every farmer and understand the HC organic products and so that every individual on the earth remains healthy.
It's your dream to save the earth.
Yes, with the earth and the human population, I want to reduce the sufferings that is happening among the people because so many are suffering from cancers, many are suffering from autoimmune disorders. That is because the food is no more a medicine. Earlier it was the food was regarded as the medicine, but he says food is not regarded as the medicine. It's become something to survive, but it's not healthy. So we want to convert that into a healthy product.
तो मैम क्या आप नेशनल पे तो अभी आप काम ही कर रहे हैं, जैसे इंटरनेशनल पे आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं?
Definitely I want to. I'm also planning for export business also. If type and the everything less I heal and do for export.
That's good. And we will support him. Good मैम.
Thank you so much.
मैम जो लोग प्लांट बेस्ड या आयुर्वेदिक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए आपकी क्या एडवाइस है?
Literally my support is there. Whatever the way they want, because recently one person approached me because he is into conversion of the waste into a usable product. So I'm supporting in a way that it is possible by me. So definitely my support is there for a sustained data.
Oh, that's good, man. Or what do you mean by secret of the success according to you?
I need to succeed a little more because I haven't succeeded yet up to the mark. So I know it will take time. Definitely I succeed one day. That moment, patience. So now what I'm following is the patience. So definitely I'll get a good fruit one day. I feel.
ये हम आपकी बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है, एक प्रोफेसर से अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप करना और स्टार्टअप करके भी उसके लिए भी अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स लेना, जो और टाइम देना, अपना टोटली लाइन को चेंज करके आगे बढ़ना, वो बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है हम सब के लिए. जो अभी ये वीडियो देखेगा, जो इसको सुनेगा, उन सब के लिए बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है. मैम क्या अब हम आपके कुछ रिजल्ट्स देख सकते हैं? नहीं अब या
ये टोमेटो का फोटो है and this is like there were very minimal rates near Tamil Nadu last year. They got 1380 kgs more yield after using our products and they were able to preserve them without refrigeration almost for 20 days without refrigeration. So इस tomatoes को कुछ नहीं हुआ था. So it was healthy and it was a quality product that they got and the yield also they got very high. And this is the capsicum which was followed and the chili you can see how quality and the look also, the color also is seen over here. And next is the ornamentals. This is like, they had grown in the field farmland. So these are the brinjals. Here the TDS was very high in one of the particular area near Karnataka, but still they were able to grow the vegetables. So amaranthus, tomatoes, and this the tomato. After using our products, the tomato leaf color was vibrant or green natural green whereas the chemically treated plant was bluish in color, the leaf. This is evident like it is unhealthy. So this is natural. So one of the home gardener, they wanted this plant back. They wanted to rejuvenate the plant backs. So they started, the plant was almost dead. So that was the reason. So after using our products, they started getting the sprouts out of the plant. And you can see now it is happily growing. And these are some of the vegetables that they grew in their vegetable growing area. So this is our premium product. This is Aeraplan Sustina, which was launched last year. So this one pouch per pot can be used so that it will take care of your pot for one whole month. Because these days the urban gardeners doesn't have time to nurture the plants. So this will help them to nurture their lovely pots and plants. So this is how it will be. The palak, you can see it is very much solid. After using our products, they grew it. So there were no pores, no worm attacks. It's a solid leaf and it was crunchy and tasty as well. So this is another project which was done on the ornamentals near Doda Aladamara. So the customers had the complaint saying that when they take it home, this entire thing used to, die. The plants would die. So it will not, the shelf life was very short. So when I supplied our company supplements, they started using that and the complaints also reduced and the leaves also remained green. The shelf life of the plant also increased. So this is another study. So these are the tomatoes. And in another farmland, mangoes were grown very well because they were not getting mangoes since 2-3 years. So after using our products, they got the mangoes. This was on banana. They got very high yield of banana also. Around 60-70 kgs of banana they got per plant. And this is another work on the water retention. So urban population, they will not, they might go on vacations. They will not have time. So after using our products, even if you don't water the plant for 10 days also, it can come back to life. So if you use our products continuously. So this is how it is. And lot many products are, our products are running everywhere around Karnataka, Andhra. So the farmers are very happy and convinced about our products. So this is what I wanted to tell.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sheena.
This is the award that I received from Ubuntu Consortium in association with the MSNE, Government of Karnataka. So the category was the Best Startup Gold category. So I was honored with the prestigious award from Ubuntu Consortium. And we also been awarded with GEM certificates, Z Bronze, zero effect, zero defect certification also we have from LSNE. So yeah, this is another local magazine. Every month I give them the articles related to organic farming, agriculture. It is called as Dwijodaya. It is Dvija Entrepreneurs Network magazine. So they published my article and they also featured my company for the Women's Day special this year 2025. Yes. Thank you.